In this video, I will show you how to choose a template in Pictory.AI. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm here on Pictory. Now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and start generating a video from a script. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the script video option here, click proceed, and then go ahead and paste my script into here. So once I've done this, what I'm going to do is wait for that to save and then click the purple proceed button up here. Now what you can do, there is a preset list of templates that you can choose from. I'm going to go ahead and choose this summarize one. So this is going to give you the template to work from. So it just takes a minute or two now to go ahead and generate the video. So here we are. As you can see, the video has now been generated. So if I click onto these scenes, you'll see the text and the layout has been designed based upon that template. Now, if you want, you can change this template. So you're not happy with it, what you can do is come over to the left hand side, and if you click onto the option that says styles, you can go ahead and change the template. So when you first do this, it's going to give you a quick tutorial. You can just click on hide these steps if you want to, and as you can see, there's a load of different templates you can choose from. So you can come to template styles, my styles, or the styles library down here. And say, for example, we wanted to change the text, we wasn't happy, and I wanted to change it to this one, lemon yellow. All you would do is simply click onto it, and you'll see we can further customize the template. So that's how to go ahead and choose templates and edit templates in Pictory.AI. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.